A friend asked me recently, why do you geocache? Why spend that time and money on something over something more productive? And that got me thinking, why do I geocache? I could certainly find something else to do with my time. Something that society would deem more worthy than using multi-million-dollar satellites to find Tupperware in the woods. That got me to reflect on my geocaching adventure over the last several years, and I looked back at all the geocaches that I had found since I started. From my first one in my favorite park that I grew up next to the ones out camping, to the dozens of urban caches I'd found while working in San Francisco. And that's when I realized why I, and so many others around the world like me, cache. It's because no matter where you are, there's always something more to see, something hidden away in plain sight. Whether it be in the wilderness or just down the street from your favorite cafe, there's always something to find.